In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit custom fields in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you've ever needed to tweak a label, adjust a drop-down option, or refine the information your team captures, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to do without getting lost in the settings. First, open Pipedrive and head to the top right corner of your screen. Click on your profile icon. This opens a small menu that gives you access to all your account and workspace controls. From that menu, choose Company Settings. If you're working in a shared account, make sure you have the right permissions to change fields. Most organizations reserve these options for admins to keep data consistent across the team. Inside Company Settings, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Data Fields. This is the central place where all fields live, both the standard ones Pipedrive provides and the custom fields your team has created over time. Think of it as your catalog of data inputs. Next, select the entity that contains the custom field you want to edit. Pipedrive separates fields by entity type, so choose the one you need. Lead/deal for pipeline-related information, person for contacts, or organization for company records. Picking the right area ensures you're editing the field that actually appears where your team uses it. Now, scroll through the list to find the exact custom field you want to change. Fields are typically grouped and labeled, so take a moment to scan carefully. When you spot the one you need, click on it to open the editor. This is where you can make your adjustments. Depending on the field type, you might update the field name to make it clearer, refine the description so your team knows what belongs there, or manage options for things like single or multi-select lists. If you're modifying choices in a dropdown, consider how changes might affect existing records and automations. Clarity and consistency are key. When you're happy with your edits, save your changes. Look for the Save or Save Changes button on the editor and click it to confirm. Pipedrive will apply the update across your account, so the new field label or options will appear the next time you or your teammates view the relevant leads, deals, people, or organizations. And that's it. You clicked your profile, went into Company Settings, opened Data Fields, chose the right entity, edited the custom field, and saved. With just a few clicks, you've made your CRM easier to use and more aligned with how your team actually works.